to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Want to get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Good evening, all. Fatima Mirza audible?
Yeah, so Sushmita, I'll take that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the session. So the day 14 of Student Development Program on Business Intelligence using Advanced Excel and Power BI. So we are at day 14 and we are discussing the business intelligence using advanced Excel, Power BI. So we are already started with the visualization part. So we moved to the basic to the moderate visualizations, and we left with a bit part of advanced visualizations like the maps, right? The gaze chart, slicers and cards, and the interactive dashboard. So after that, we'll go with the DAX functions. So that is the agenda for today's session. Okay, so let's begin with our visualization part. So everybody open your Power BI. So very basic charts, and we have discussed some charts. Tree map we have discussed. Funnel chart is also discussed. Yes, yesterday we are doing actually the maps. Yes, we have to do some settings. For the maps, we have to turn the permissions on to get the visualization like the map, geospatial maps. So just in a glance, I'll recollect everything. Okay. Then we'll start with our maps, build maps, and rest of the visualizations with dashboard. Okay. So where is my sheet? Yeah, here is my sheet. See, guys. So I've saved this with this name, my file name. So I'm going to open that. So it will take few seconds to load everything, all the visualizations and everything. Yeah, sorry. I'll start my screen sharing. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible now.
Now it is visible.
Yeah. So moving on to this, the last topic we have completed is table. Yes or no? So after that, take the new page. Take the new page. Okay, this is my orders data set. Okay, so everybody, so before going to start our maps, okay, so the maps, so what we will cover just in a glance, I'll mention what we are going to cover in today's session, just in a glance. So these two parts, okay, the important, a bit important is gaze chart, okay, cards and the slicers. After that, so I'll explain the dashboard and interactive dashboards, then features. Then we'll see some part of bookmarks and we'll move on. Okay, right. So my suggestion, if still anybody is not getting the maps, so first change the settings, go to the file, go to the file. Go to the file. Okay. So click on the options and settings. Click on options and settings. If anybody missed this part, like yesterday, the map settings, if anybody is missed, okay, so then click on the options. Click on the options. One new window will open. Okay. Right. So from here onwards, just click on the security. Click on the security. Okay, then everybody able to see this option, map and fill map visuals. Yes, if it is unchecked, please check that box. Okay, please check that. Compulsory, it should be checked. Okay, check that box. Then click on OK. Click on OK. But here the point is, so if you want to apply the changes to your Power BI, okay, just Control S, press Control S and just close your Power BI. Then just reopen it. Okay, close your Power BI. Okay, click on Save. Click on Save. Okay, then reopen it. Reopen your Power BI. So usually the changes will apply sometimes, but if you are still facing, if we get issues, so that's why just restart your Power BI to apply that changes. Okay, right. Okay, right. Everybody just open as usual sheet. Now we'll move with our maps. Okay, see guys, see all my previous charts are loaded. Pie chart, donut charts. So all the charts are loaded. Okay. Right. So coming to the new page, everybody choose the new page. Then choose your map. So will you able to see this globe symbol there? Globe symbol there? Yes. So click on this globe symbol, everybody. Click on this globe symbol. Okay. So just maximize this. So how the map is going to look like? Yes, you know the Google Maps, the maps geospatial data. Yes, with longitudes and latitudes. Okay, right. So we have already changed the settings, right? So now this, or actually this data, only this data set is having only one country, guys. That is only United States. Okay, only one country data it is having. So ma'am, I want to change that into any other country. Yes, you can go with the transformations. You know the Power Query editor, right? You know the Power Query editor? Yes, we have done already. So go to the Power Query editor, just change your country and you can get that respective map in that. Okay, but this data set originally belongs to only the one country, that is United States. Okay, so here the country is there. So I'm going to choose the states from this country. So everybody click on this state. See guys, by default, it is taking the United States. Able to get this now? Okay, able to get this? Right, good. Then you can maximize and you can minimize. You can maximize and you can minimize that. Okay. Then ma'am, why all the states are coming in blue color? Is it possible to apply any colors? I mean, for each and every state, can we give any different colors? Yes, it is possible. See guys, we have already discussed about the part of legend. Yes, so here this legend option is also enabled for this maps. Okay, so if you want to view your states in colors, do one thing, just drag and drop your states onto the legend shelf. See guys, each and every state is given with one color and your legend also appeared over here. See, in the top, your legend is appeared over here. This is your legend. Okay. Clear? Right. Then after that, you can apply any one of your measures like sales, any numerical value you can apply, the sales or the profits. So you can apply anything. So what I'm doing, I'm going to choose my sales. Just click on the sales. See, based on the sale value, your bubble size will increase and decrease. Okay, the highest bubble, so the sum of sales of California is this much. Getting my point, guys? During it, everybody able to get this? Yes. Right. So here the thing is, you can go with as usual format options even for the maps also. That is also possible. So like the pie chart, we have extra options like we can rotate the pies, we can change the pie colors. And for the lines, compulsory we can drill down, drill up options is available. And line markers also we can set. So based on the charts, this extra format options will be added to the map. So we'll check what are the things that are available for maps. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Why only the state? Why can't we choose the region here? Suppose if you want to choose the region, yes, you can choose the region. So, but see here, this region, east, west, south, central, right? So we are getting different things. So this is belongs to only the states of United States. Okay. So that's why it is better to choose this one. Yes, everybody click on the format. Okay, we'll go with the map settings. We'll go with the map settings. Map settings. So what is the first one? As usual, first one is map settings. You know, you have this option available in your mobiles also, like street view, okay, satellite view, the same way here also. This is the road view, guys. So if you want, you can change that into aerial view. See, this is your aerial view. So depends on the client's requirement, you can change your map visuals, okay? So, and the dark view, so very dark. And the light, grayscale. And road. So usually we will go with the road for a good appearance, okay? Yeah, you can turn on and off labels also. If you turn off, you cannot see the state names over there. Just make it on, okay? Getting? So controls means auto zoom, zoom buttons. Yes, if you want to put zoom buttons also possible. See guys, plus and minus, zoom buttons. Okay, lasso is not required, guys. If you put lasso, only that particular part will be zoom. It will take the zoom, okay? And no need to change the geocoding. So by default, it is auto. So based on the country, it will take the geocoding, okay? And coming to the, yes, the legend. Legend is your choice, guys. Titles, legends is common thing. Anyway, common legend. The settings also same thing. Colors, whatever the state color you want to change, everything you can change. Increase, decrease, everything you can put. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll take a top left, top right. Okay, we'll take the right side. Okay, center right. Okay, so all my street names are visible now. Okay. Yes. Coming to the bubbles. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the bubble size. Okay, it's up to you. And giving the colors is very difficult, guys. We have many states. If you have the patience, just go ahead. Okay, so no need to change the colors. It's better to make it like that only. Okay, don't change the colors. And category labels. So even the category, I mean, to particular which category that is, but no need to switch on the category labels. Why? Because already they're in the background state names. Okay. Right. So, and coming to the general settings, size increase and decrease, you can do titles and effects. Yes, if you want, you can put any background color for your maps. See, you can put your background map colors. That is your choice. So visual borders, shadows, remaining things are common things, guys. Remaining everything is common. Okay. I hope everybody got the map. Yeah, which view is good for you? That means that you can choose the style of your map. Okay. Yes, if you are having any doubts in this, just post it in chat box. I'll take the questions meanwhile when the students are doing it. Okay. Right. So moving on to the next one. Just first I'm renaming it to map. Simply map, guys. No other name, simply map. Okay. So just rename it as map. Yeah, we haven't applied any slicers and filters, guys. You will get the idea once we apply the slicers and filters also. Okay. Right. So moving on to the next thing, that is my new page. So what is the map beside the, what is the map chart beside this map is field map, field map. So what is the field map mean? See guys, the visual. So here your states are given with bubbles, right? Your states are given with bubble colors. But if you take the field map, what happens is that each and every state is filled with color. That particular region will be filled with color. Getting my point? Yes. The same way, yes, you can choose your state. Okay, what I'll do is, let me try with region. So I have many regions and I'm choosing the states, but I'm removing the regions. Okay, I'm only choosing the states, guys. This belongs to only, yes, United States. And is it possible to put the region? See, guys, I'm taking the region onto the legend shell. Okay, in particular United States, I have 4 regions. You're getting my point? So this is my west, central, south, and east. Yeah, in this map also. Okay, so in this map also what we will do is, instead of legend, we will take the region. See, region-wise colors. This is also possible, guys. The region-wise. If you take the state onto the legend shell, you will get list of all the states. But if you choose your legend region, that these are the regions. So 4 colors only. So blue, So light blue is west, purple color is your south, this is central, and this is your east. That is also possible. Yes. Okay, and this is my field map. Ma'am, I want to go with only the state colors and everything. Yes, you can change that into the state. See guys, each and every state is given with color. The question, this certificate of BI useful computer science students. Guys, not only for the CST students, even those who are the very freshers, any background course, CSC coding side without non-technical MCA, BBA, whatever the degree you are holding. So this certificate is helpful for your future and the jobs. Okay, no need to worry. So analysis, we are doing some analysis using your business intelligence tools, whatever the field you are, whatever the degree you are. Okay, so irrespective of your degrees, the certificate is very, very helpful for your jobs. You can put it in your resumes also. Okay, no need to worry. Right, done guys, everybody got the field map, and the options are exactly similar to that map only. See guys, map settings, you can change it to any way. Okay, the settings, you can do that. And general settings, like the background colors and everything, you can go ahead. Clear guys? Yes. So I hope everybody is clear with this. Yes. Okay, so this is your field map. Okay. So moving on to the next chart. We done with field map is done. So yes, I'll go with the gauge guys. I'll go with the gauge chart, a bit important also. Very easy, very easy. But to build the gauge chart, we require one extra part, that is the measure. Okay, anyway, how to create these measures, we are going to start in DAX. Okay, so no need to worry how to get this measures. But meanwhile, so we'll finish the visualization part. So that's why I'm going to take the gauge chart. Okay, so everybody take the new page, take the new page. Take the new page. Okay, will you able to see the gauge over here? Okay, so choose your gauge chart. Click on the gauge chart. So you will get this part. It's exactly looks like gauge. Gauge. So what is the use of this gauge chart means if you want to represent any single value, so like the sum of sales, sum of profits, so it will give you. And apart from that, so we can set our targets here. We can set our targets here. Suppose, let me give you one small example, ma'am, how to put the targets using the gauge means. Suppose, example guys, my total sales is, let us assume 5,000, 5K. My total sum of sales is 5K. So what is the double of this 5K is your 10K usually, the double. So your gauge chart will take, so the total, so the initial part, the total sum of sales, and it will show you the double of your original sales. So in between, so but this is your original and this is the double of your sales. If you want to put any target between this range, okay, I want to set the target like 7K. Okay, so what it will represent? So up to this, it will show you the 5K. Okay, up to then you can put your target as 7K. So what is your double of your sales? 10K. So like that, you can put your targets using the gauge chart. So if you want to mention your clients, so this is our original sales. So we can we can set our targets to 7K by end of this month, end of this year. So like that, you can put some targets using your gauge chart. Okay, that is the main advantage of your gauge chart. But if you want to set this targets, we need to create some measures. Okay, so again, first I'll discuss with the gauge chart with the measure. Once we started the DAX functions, again, one more time, I'll repeat this how gauge chart. Okay, then you will get the idea. Okay, the visualization part we are discussing. So the gauge, what I'm doing, simply directly, I require only one measure. That is my total sum of sales. So I'm taking only the sales, only one measure I am taking. Okay, I'm taking only one measure over here. Clear, guys? So tell me what is my total sum of sales? So 0 million to this blue part, whichever is the blue part is your total sum of sales, 2.30 millions. But double of this is your 4.59 millions. This is your actual sales and this is double of your sales. So in between this range, so you can set your targets. That is possible. Okay, so but now I'm just taking one random target for this to create one measure using one measure. Okay, then I'll explain one more time in the dash. So this is my 2.30. So ma'am, how to set the targets? So here, if you notice here, see this part, guys. Here, the minimum value you can set, maximum value, but I want the target value. See, guys, this is my target value. I can set my target from here. Okay, so let me take one target value. So I'll represent. So this is my original actual sales. So in between this part, I'll put one target value after this. Okay, so I'm going to do that with the help of measure now. So to create the measure, we have one option that is here. See, guys. So here, this is your option. If you want to set any targets, we require measure. So everybody able to see this new measure? Everybody able to see this new measure? So identify that, guys. Okay. Everybody able to see this? Yes, everybody just click on the new measure, guys. Click on the new measure. Okay. So when you click on the new measure, did you notice something here? See, this part. One new window is, wait a second. Yeah. So able to get this window? Able to get this? Yes. So here you can rename this, guys. You can rename this. You can put any thing over there. I want to put target value. You can rename anything. Target value is equals to. So I want to put some target after 2.30 millions. What I'll do is 1.2 times of my 2 millions, 2.30 millions. Okay. So let me cross check. Yes, guys, let me cross check. Yes, see, I took my measure over here. I hope this measure value is visible to you. Is this value is visible to you? Yes. So I have set one target. My original sales is 2.30 millions. Okay, I'm just increasing my sales to, I'm just multiplying with 1.2 to set my target to 2.76. Yes, guys, if you want, you can set more also on this. You can put 1.5, it will increase a bit more. Okay, this is your target bar. So this is the way to create the measures. Once you create the measure, see guys, once you create the measure, just click on this box. Okay, guys, I'll repeat that. I'll repeat that. Guys, everything I'll repeat, okay? Yes. So take the gauge chart. Okay. Just maximize to your window. Then apply your sum of sales. This is my sum of sales. Okay. After that, if you want to put your target here, okay, just click on the new measure. One new pop-up will come over here. Okay. Here, this box. So I'm going to rename that. So I'm going to set the target value, right? I'm going to set it as target value, the column name, okay? And I'm taking 1.5 times double, okay? 1.5 times I want to increase my millions. So after this, what you will do is, after this, just click on this right mark. Click on this right mark. Okay, when you click on this right mark, so it will create your target value measure in the column shell. See guys, here you are able to see here the target value over here in the right side, down last guys, in the last. Why it's alphabetical order? So T in the last, so you will get the target value over there. Okay, ma'am, how to represent this in our gauge chart means, so after getting this target value, just hold it and place it in your target value section. Okay, place it, hold it and place it in your target value section. Hold it and place it in your target value section. Okay, right guys, getting it? So first, select your sales. After that, click on the new measure. Then apply your measure. Then click on this check mark. Then you will get your target over here. Just drag and drop it into the target value. So you are going to mention that line, sir, this is our original sales, but this time we want to reach to this target. Okay, this is the way actually, but we need measure for this. I'll explain how to put this target. Okay, measures. I'll explain these measures one more time. Then coming to the formats. Yes, ma'am, is it possible to do the formats for this? Yes, for this also we have possible formats. Okay, gauge access, minimum, maximum. If you want, you can change minimum, maximum access. So, but by default, it will take based on your value, guys. Your value. Okay, and the colors, yes. So I'll take the dark color, green. Okay, target color, I'll take it as very dark red. Okay. This is my target color. And data labels are already on. Target label is also on. Okay, so you can increase, you can change or increase the size. The downside. Okay, yes, you can change your this thing, values. And target label also, you can change this color to some other color. You can make it bold. Yes, as usual, the titles, You can go ahead with titles. Okay. Yeah, guys, spelling mistake means so typing mistake. So that is not the formula. You can ignore that. So spelling, you can change that. Don't focus on such type of mistakes. Okay. Right. You can put your background colors. Okay, guys, clear about the gaze chart now? Yes. Okay. So you can rename this gaze chart. Okay. So now we are going to move to the cards first, then to the slicers. Okay, these two are the left topics. Then we'll go with the bookmarks and navigations. Okay, right. Moving on to the next one. Right, so I'm going to take my cards. See, guys, whenever I move my cursor over here, I'm getting the cards. So what is the main use of cards, ma'am? Means if you want to represent any one single value. So you know the cards generally, so card is consist of only one single value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So in the same way, if you want to mention any specific single value measure over there, sum of sales, average sale, count of sales, maximum sales, minimum sales. So like that, if you want to represent anything, so these cards will help us. Very easy, guys. Okay, so everybody click on this card. You will get one card window like this. Small, very small thing. Okay. So ma'am, how many cards we can create? So in one report view, you can put n number of cards. You can put n number of cards. Okay, it's up to you guys. In the dashboard also, we will use that. Right. So first I want to apply the sales. See guys, whenever I click on sales, see, directly it is giving my total sum of sales. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll click on profit in this. So guys, this is my total sum of sales. This is my total sum of profit. Single value representations. Okay. Very easy. Cards are very easy. Yeah, sometimes this is also helpful, guys, in the dashboards. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, everything is in white color. Is it possible to do the quick formats for the cards also? Yes, guys. We can go with the quick formats for this. So see here, guys. As usual, first select your card. First select your card. Click on that. Click on that. Then go to your options, format options. Okay. So call out values. You can increase the decrease the size. Okay. That is up to you. You can change the colors. So display units. Okay, then category labels, that also sum of sales or whatever the value you want to represent in the downside, that is also you can do that. So bold it. Okay, and general formats, if you want, you can turn on the title, but we do not have any titles. Just change the background color. Oh, nice. Okay, yes, visual borders. Shadows also. When you put the shadows for the card, it looks very good, guys. See, it's very good. Okay, you can set that. For every card, we can apply the formats. Okay, like that, n number of cards we can put. Single value representations. Guys, finished? Okay, so yes, in one chart, one report view, you can create a number of, just rename that into cards. Right, in this particular cards only, I'm going to take one more concept, that is your slicers, guys. I'm going to start with slicers in these cards only. Then I'll explain about the filters, the difference between these two. Okay, right. So everybody able to see the slicers option here? Able to see the slicers? So what is a slicer means? Thing is, the filter and slicer will work almost similar, guys, almost similar. Okay, so just click on the slicer. So like your card, one new small window will come over here. Okay, so ma'am, how many slicers in for one particular report view? You can put n number of slicers. That is up to you. Okay, then what I want to do is, suppose here I have my sum of sales and sum of profits. Okay, what I'm doing is, to the slices, to this piece, I'm going to add the region. See, I'm going to have added the region to my slicer. So what are the available options in the region? Central, east, south, and west. Okay, you are getting different options. Suppose I just click, I'll check one checkbox. See guys, whenever I click on this central, is my value changed in the cards? Whenever I click on east, is my value is changing? South, is my value is changing? West, is my value is changing? Yes guys, the slicer means, so if you want to get the specific value, it will slice it. Okay, so n number of slicers, guys. Suppose I'll do one thing. So I'll add one more slicer. Okay, I'll add one more slicer. I'll take the order date over here. See, is my value is changing based on the dates also? Yes, right. So n number of slicers you can apply. And yes, the format options, you can go with the format options, slicer settings. So which type of list? Drop down. Yes, you can get the drop down, or else the tiles. So tiles option. Then the selection, single sheet or multiple sheets at a time. So you can get that. Okay. Then slice header. Yes, guys, slice header means this region. Okay, if you want, you can change that slice region. You can put that heading over there. Okay. And borders. This is also up to you. I want to put all borders dark color, red color. Okay, and background for your legend and the values. Okay, and coming to the general, so my best suggestions, put the background color. That's it. Okay, is this looking good? Your slicer? Yeah, you can set it for this also. You can set it for this also, guys. Okay, so but based on your values, it is changing. A second, guys.
Students, kindly wait. Ma'am will start in 5 minutes. She has some issue. Kindly wait for 5 minutes, okay?
Yeah, guys, bit delay because of issue. Okay, sorry for this delay. So, Sushmita, I'm back to the session. Okay, sorry for this delay, for only for today. Okay, right, guys. So, moving on to the slicers. So you can change. See, guys, here if you choose the slicer for the dates, we are getting some more options. So previously, whenever I click on this region, I have only options either vertical list or the drop down. Okay, all the tiles option. Yes or no? But here, coming to the dates, we are getting different formats. See, when I click on the slicer settings, I am getting the range. So we have date ranges, right? Suppose I want from 2015 to 16 or 16 to 17, particularly this month, this date. So that is also possible, guys. So if you choose the vertical list, you will get all the dates, but it is a bit difficult. Yes or no? So or else you can choose any between range so that you can get the slider here and there. Both sides, we can choose the range. See, whenever I'm changing the slicer, is my values are changing? Is my values are changing over here? Yes. And same way, so you can choose before options. So only one thing. So starting to the ending, guys. We do not have starting slide. Okay, only the ending slide. So any options you can choose from this. Okay, then I'll choose the tiles, or else you can choose between. Between is the better thing, guys. We can slide it in starting point to the ending point. Okay, and the remaining things, you can change the general your title headings and everything. You can go ahead with as usual options. Okay, oh, too dark. Okay, right. So here, ma'am, what is the use of the slicers means? The two things, guys. The slicers, if you want to check any specific region wise, any dimension wise dates or anything for the particular sheet, only this slicer is applicable to this sheet only, guys. So how many charts you build in this? Not only the cards, how many charts you build in this? So this slices will be applicable to all the cards. Yes, see here, I'll choose south. My values are changing, and after that I'm changing my slider also. Is this affecting your card values over here? Yes, only to the particular sheet. Okay, see, if I open any other sheets, okay, I'll choose my funnel chart. So is I have my slicers here for this. If I change anything here, is my funnel chart values are also changing? No, guys, it won't take that. So slicers belongs to the particular page, report view only. Whatever the charts you will do over here. Okay, but what about the filters means here? Everybody able to see the filters option over here? Able to see the filter options? Okay, right. So what is the filters means? So here I have already applied. Here I have already applied the region and order date. Let me choose my state. So here we have two options, guys. You want to apply the filters. You want to apply the filters particularly in this page or on all pages. Two things. On all pages, only to this particular page. If you apply to this particular page, your filters will work exactly similar to the slicers. Getting my point? So it will work exactly similar to the slicer. But if you give any dimension in all pages, what happens is, whatever the filters you are doing, whatever the filtering you are doing, that will be applicable to the all the previous charts, guys. All the rest of the charts. It will be applicable to all the rest of the charts. Okay, getting my point? So shall we start with the filters? Okay, so I'm choosing state. So instead of taking my state on this page, I'm moving the state onto the filters page. See, guys, I got my filter. Guys, for the filters, so for this page, we cannot do any formats. We cannot do. So this slicers also belongs to your visualization part, but your filters does not belongs to your visualization part. Okay, and we have applied the filtering options on all pages. Yes or no? So now we'll see the difference, guys. We'll see the difference. Okay. Let me open the funnel only. Let me open the funnel only. Just remember this graph carefully, guys. Any one value, just remember any one value. Now let me take the first one, 55.62K. Okay, so I have applied here, right, filters. I'll choose only Arizona. See, my Arizona values are changed here. So you can apply filters also. In Arizona, you want to see the particular values from particular date. See, only Arizona. We'll check in the funnel chart. Oh, see, this belongs to only my Arizona values, guys. This state, only the states. So here also I can change. See, here also I can apply. So is your filter applied to all the charts? So let me take the pie chart. See, my values are changing over here. See, this my pi values are changing. Yes, getting it, guys? Clear how the filters are helpful? So these filters are applied to all the charts. Right. So if you apply only the particular sheet, so it will work exactly similar to slicers only. Okay. But this slicer will take value changes in this only, guys, not in the others. So it won't take. It won't take in the other sheets. Clear? So now a bit clear the difference between the slicers and the filters. Guys, everybody clear with this? Then based on this, we are going to move to the concept that is the dashboard and interactive dashboard. See, guys, This is also one of the interaction, guys. We have done with filters and slicers, right? So whenever you are changing something, is your visualizations are interacting with you? Is these are giving the particular value of particular region, whatever you are selecting there? Yes, this is also the interaction, guys. Getting my point? But this, yes, I can take it as also a dashboard, the single the page report. But here we haven't prepared the very effective dashboards. So suppose the company, the client is asking the specifics. So please show me the sales, real-time sales or the sales or the profits with single cards. Okay, with the proper title, proper slicers, proper filters, some pie charts, some line charts. I want to see that. So we are going to make one effective dashboard and interactive dashboard. So that once we finish with the dashboard, so already we lagged 10 minutes late, so no issue. We'll start with the DAX also. Okay, right. So, but here the problem, the difference between this Tableau and Power BI here is in Tableau, we have separate option for dashboard creations in Tableau. But we do not have any separate option for dashboard creation, guys. We have to create that in report view only. We can create that in report view only, no specific separate options for dashboards. But it is there in Tableau, guys. If anybody is familiar with Tableau, they will get the difference. We have separate option for Tableau in the left side pane. But we have to create in report view only. Okay, shall we start with our dashboard, guys? Yes. So thing is, I am not going to, yes, we can create direct visuals also here. Okay, let me take that only. But for everything, guys, for every dashboard, what is the mandatory thing I have already discussed? The heading. Heading, guys, heading. Okay, so what I'm doing, everybody go to the insert. Go to the insert. Okay, able to see the text box, or else you can take the shapes also. Okay, you can take the shapes. That is up to you, guys. You can take anything. You can take anything. But if you take the shapes, yes, so the colors also you can change. Okay, so I'll take the light color for my title. Okay, then right click and just double click and edit your text. So this is not taking the text. Right, so if you want to add the text here, okay, sales. Sales and profit analysis report. Okay, so whatever I type here, so that is reflecting in your box. Okay, guys, following. So you know the things, guys. So text box also you can take instead of shape. Okay, you can choose this also. Then I'll increase the size. I'll change the text color to red and put it in center. Okay, right. Now, once the text is done, so I'm going to start building my visualizations. Okay, so you can start your visualizations. So you can go with anything, guys, or else, ma'am, I have already created many visualizations and charts. Is it possible to copy them and paste it here? Yes, guys. So I'm starting with my pie chart. Okay, so just right click, right click, right click, and we'll be able to see copy visual. Copy visual is there. Yes, click on the copy visual and come to your dashboard and paste it here. But when you paste it, it will take the entire page, but you need to set that in your dashboard. Okay, you need to adjust in your dashboard. Okay, here also guys, if you want to change any settings of your charts, you can change that. Okay, here also you can change. So like that, you can copy any charts visualizations from here. Okay, I'll take the stack bars, right click. So copy visual. Then paste it over here. Fit it in your frame, guys. Okay. Yeah, any number of charts you can add. I'll do one thing. I'll take one line in cluster. Okay, I'll take the line charts or the area chart, which is very good looking. I'm taking, okay. Okay, copy this visual. Yeah, and paste it over here. Guys, if you want to increase your canvas size, okay, you can change. You can increase your canvas size. Okay. Increase your pixels and everything, that also works. So after adding some plots, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll add my cards also, these two cards. Okay. So the copy visual and paste it over here. Okay. From this, I'll copy my slicer also and paste it over here. Okay, guys. Here, and we have already applied the filter rise. Do you remember in this particular sheet, we have already applied? Yes, we have already applied. Okay, so that's why I'm getting my filter automatically. If you notice, I'm getting my filter, guys. I'm getting my filter over here. Okay. So done with your dashboard. Dashboard is very easy in Power BI. So in the background, canvas colors, wallpaper colors, everything you can change. Okay, everything you can change. Images, yes, you can put your background images also. That is also possible, guys. Okay, now we'll check whether these filters are applying or not. Okay, see guys, select all, unselected, California. See, I choose California. Based on that, is my values are changing. Whenever I choose any specific country, sorry, state, so is my values are changing, or else you can go with here also. I want only the central region. I want only the east region, south region, west region. So is this interacting with you? Yes. Guys, following? Yeah, you can put n number of, you can fit in your canvas, guys. So you can increase your canvas size, space size, background colors, everything you can change. Okay. Dashboard in Power BI is very easy, guys. Very easy. So every option is available on your screen. So from that, just pick your chart and place it over here. So suppose my company is asking, hey, please show me only the sales of central region. Okay, only the sales of central region by category. Yes, see guys, my sales of central region by category. So office supplies, furniture and technology. So my office supplies in the central region is having the highest sales. And what about the total sales in the central region? 0.11 million. This is the total sales, single value, but individual, category wise, subcategory wise, month wise. So everything based on the company or client's requirement, we will build our effective dashboards. Okay, clear? So just you can rename this into the dashboard. Dashboard. Yes, guys, following everybody? Right, guys, this is the end of the visualization part till the dashboard, like visualization, basic to moderate to advanced visualizations and slicers and filters, and the dashboard and the interactive dashboard. Okay, so then moving on to our DAX functions. So everybody, I hope everybody clear with this. Yes. So now we are moving to the DAX functions. Okay, so we'll see what is the DAX now. So what is the abbreviation of DAX? So everything, so just let me write whatever we are going to discuss. Okay, so I'm going to open my OneNote. I hope my screen is visible, OneNote is visible. Okay, guys, so what is mean by DAX? Any idea? What is mean by DAX? Any idea, guys? Just anyone, just give me the quick answer in this. What is mean by DAX here? Yes. Any answers? Anybody know about these DAX functions? Yes. Yes, I got some answers like, yes, data analytics or analysis expressions. Okay, so I'll write my abbreviation over here. Data analysis expressions. Okay, so what is the use of this data analysis expressions means with the help of data analysis expressions, okay, so we can create the columns, calculated columns. So with the help of DAX, we can create calculated columns and we can create the measures also. Do you remember, guys, we have done the gaze chart? Just now we have done the gaze chart. Yes. So what you have done exactly in the gaze chart? we have given one measure, right? Is that measure is quickly available in the table? No. But what we have done, we have created our own measure based on our requirement. Okay. Then coming to the calculated columns, ma'am, already in the Power Query, we have created some columns like concatenation and everything, right? Yes. So almost similar to that only, we can create these calculated columns using the formulas. Getting my point, guys? Okay, so that is the main use of this data analysis expression. So these are very, very important in terms of Power BI. That means analysis part. So based on our requirement, we can create the columns and we can create the measures. So if we speak about the columns, okay, so whenever you create a new column, suppose this is my table. Okay, this is my table. Whenever you create new column, okay, so you are going to create one new column means this entire operation will be applied on all the rows. Okay, so ma'am, how this is on all the rows means, suppose take the concatenation. So what is mean by concatenate? Adding two columns, string data. Suppose I have first name and I have last name. So I want to concatenate these two with the help of concatenate formula. Then I want to put it in new column. So I have first row, second row, third row. So when you do the concatenation, when you are going to create the new column, is this concatenation will apply only on the one row, two row? No, guys, on every row it will be applied and it will create the new column here. So that's why the columns, it will take some operations on entire rows. So bit important interview questions if anybody is going for data analytics roles. Okay, they will ask, what is the use of creating the column? So whenever we create the new columns, that operation will be applied on all the rows. Okay, then coming to the measure part. So coming to the measure, so what happens is measure is reversed to the columns, guys. Okay, so measure we will apply, this operation we will apply on entire column, not on the rows, entire column. So ma'am, how it is possible to apply the measure on entire column? So let me give you one small example. I have sales column. Okay, so 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K. These are my rows. First row, second row, third row, and fourth row. So I want to create one measure. Suppose I want sum of sales. So what is the sum of sales, guys? Will you take different columns or you will perform sum of sales on this column? So 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1. So your total sum of sales will be single value. But this operation is applied on only one specific column, guys. Got the idea difference between the columns and measures? Yes, so whenever you create new column, that operation will be applied on entire rows. Whenever you create a new measure, that operation will be applied on entire column. I hope this is clear, a bit clear, right? So moving on to this, ma'am, so what are the functions, different types of expressions available for columns, different types of expressions available for measures. Now we will list out them. Okay, so let me choose. So I'll write it over here. Okay. So the most and basic important, first I'm discussing about the columns. So in agenda, I have already given some functions. So text, DAX functions. Okay, text, DAX functions. I'll go with the date, DAX functions. Okay, and I'll go with time intelligence DAX functions. A bit important and very basic. Coming to the measures. So I'll take some measures on the columns like the sum, the average, like minimum, maximum, and if you want, you can take count. Okay, and we'll take if, and we'll take switch, some measures. Okay. So actually, if and switch will come in columns only. Okay. So up to this part, we can represent in visualization also. We will separate them again. Okay. Right, guys. Is everybody okay with this? Then we'll move on to the first DAX functions, that is the text. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Let's begin with the DAX. Okay, so first what I'll do is I'll take the new page. So we'll start with the first DAX function, that is text functions. Text DAX functions. Okay, so I have different type, many text functions, DAX functions I have. So for example, I'll take the upper, I'll take the lower, and I'll go with okay, length. Okay, so I'll go with the trim also. Okay, so time supports, I'll take the left, I'll show you the right. So many more are there, guys, for example. Okay, and we'll go with the concat. So concatenate some text functions, some only text, only on the text, guys. So if you have any specific columns, okay, if you have any specific columns only with the string or text data, we can apply this on this text data only. Okay, let's begin with this text DAX functions, guys. So how to open the new columns, how to do these DAX functions, how to deal with this. Okay, shall we begin? Everybody prepared? Okay, so back to your Power BI. Okay, so back to your Power BI. Okay, so see, guys, in the left side, we have many options in the left side. So this is your report view. Okay, and this is your modeling view. Okay, this part is included in recent Power BIs. Usually, we are not going to take this DAX, guys, here. That requires bit advanced. That means the custom calculations. If you want to put custom calculations, custom measures you want to do, we can go with the DAX options. But here, usually we will go with the DAX options from the table view. From the table view. So we have done report view, we have done model view, but we haven't started the table view, guys. So everybody just click on the table view. Click on the table view. So I hope everybody is able to open the table view. Okay, clear? So first we'll start with our first DAX text functions. So only possible on text type of column. So identify what are the text columns you have. So row ID, order date, ship date. Yes, you can try with ship mode. Then you can try with customer names, segment, country, city. You can go with state, region, category, subcategory, and all the text type of columns. Okay, so shall we begin? Okay, right. So first we are dealing with columns, right? So I'm going to take the first thing. I'm going to start with upper, then lower, length, one by one we will see. Okay. So in the top side, will you able to see this option, guys? Whenever you open your table view, will you able to see this option new column? Okay. Yes, click on the new column, guys. See, whenever you click on the new column, are you getting this page? Previously, we have gone through the measure also. The same like window open, formula bar. This is your formula bar. Okay. So which column we are going to start with? Upper right. So what is the use of upper, guys? What is the use of upper? Can anyone tell me what is the use of upper means? Suppose you want to put all your names. That means your text in uppercase. Text in uppercase. Okay. So I have I have name office. Okay. I want to put all them in uppercase like this. Okay, and similar to that, lowercase, all your letters will be in lowercase. Okay, then coming to the length. So if you mention length of your office, so how many characters in office? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length of specific string. And coming to the trim, guys, do you remember we have already discussed the trim? Yes, if you have any spaces in the starting and ending, suppose I have office like this, so it will trim these spaces and you will get the output like this. If you have, then it will trim. If you don't have, it won't trim that. Okay, and what is the left and right means? Suppose if you mention the left of office, suppose I want to know the left, what are the 3 letters in the left side of this text? What are the 3 letters? OFF. So you will get the output as OFF. And if you choose the right, what happens, guys? Okay, if you choose right, suppose I put office, comma 2. So number of characters, 1, 2. Right side, how many are there? C and E. It will display output as C. Okay, and I'll to explain you the concatenate directly on the formula bar. Okay. Right. So we are going to start with upper only. So what I will do is upper. I'll take the name as upper only. Okay. I'll take the name as upper only. How to write the formula? Simply, guys, simply type which one you want, upper, right? Yes, simply 2 to 3 letters. So by default, it will show you the matching words. And how to select them? Select them exactly like your Excel. Just press tab. Press tab. Press tab. Okay. Then what is the message it is giving? See, guys. Whenever you choose upper, so it is giving some message in the top side. Yes. Converts a text string to all upper letters. So you have to choose a text first. But here we are dealing with directly the table, right? So first we have to start with our table name. So from the table name, which text column you want to change into the uppercase? Suppose let me choose the customer name. Okay, I'm choosing the customer name. Okay, after selecting this, just press the tab. Press the tab again. Okay, then close your bracket, guys. Close the bracket. See, what are the customer names? Let me go with the customer names here. See, Ruben, Asman, Bradley, Guin. So all these names will be changed into the uppercase and one new column will be created here, guys. Your new column will be created over here. See, by default, I haven't started. So after giving the formula, you have to click on this right mark, commit. Okay, when you click on the commit, see, when you click on the commit, see guys, all your names are changed into the uppercase. Everybody got this? Yes? Yeah, you can go ahead with lower cases also. You can go ahead. Okay, just click anywhere on the table, back to your table. Okay, then again start with new column. Click on the new column. Again, one more column. This option, this formula bar will open one more time. This bar will open one more time. Okay. So which one you want to try? The lower right. So you can put any name, guys. Ma'am, is it mandatory to put only the lower, whichever the formula? No, guys, you can put anything. So lower names, or I want to put all the category into the lowers. Anything. Simply you can take lower also. Anything. Any name you can put. But the formula you have to apply properly. Okay, press tab. Yes, converts all letters in a text string to lowercase. So you have to choose your table first. Okay, I'll choose my country. So I'll choose the country, guys. Okay, press tab and close it. Okay, then as usual, click on the commit. So it will create extra column with the lower cases. See guys, all the country name is changed to lower cases, United States. Yes, see guys, did you notice one thing? Whenever we have created the new column, so this operation is applied on all 9,994 rows or only on the single first row? Every row, right? So it will take the operation on entire rows. Clear? Yes. So moving on to the next one, what we have written after this. Yes, we'll check with the length, guys. Okay, so try with the length. I hope everybody got the idea how to create the new, how to take the new columns first. Yes, again, click on the new. Click on the new. Okay, so which one we are going to take? Length, right? So I'll just take the full name or length LEN. So length of any name you can put, guys. You can take any name. So simply the formula is len, guys. Length shortcut is len. Okay. Just press tab. Then you have to choose again. Yes, text only. Suppose from my customer name, see, I'll take my customer name. So I want to know the length of this name. So usually how many letters in this name, guys? So how many letters in this? Just count with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For my first name, I have 12 length. Okay, let me cross check whether this is giving the length for the first name. I'm just cross checking with the first name. Okay. So from the orders table, you have to choose your column. Which column you are going to apply? Only the text columns we are dealing with. Okay, the customer name and click OK. See, hey, I got my count as 12 for my name, customer name. Did you get my point, guys? Okay, clear with this? Right, so moving on to the next one, guys, you can try with the trim in any other data sets. Why I'm not trying here is almost all my columns are clear with the spaces. I don't have any spaces to show you the trim particularly, but if you have attended my Excel sessions in the starting, you will get the difference how the trim is working. So it will remove the spaces in the starting and in the ending of your text. Okay, unwanted, unnecessary spaces, it will remove. Okay, so you can try with the trim later. So after that, we have discussed one more, the left and right. Okay, so we'll go with the left and right. Okay, shall we begin with the left and right? Okay, so I'll start with new column again. Okay, so I want to know the left. So let me take the left. Okay, any name, guys. You can choose any name. Okay, the formula is left. See, guys, whenever I type here, by default, I'm getting my left over there. Does everybody do this? Okay, choose your left and see what the left will take. So if you notice, whenever you select your particular formula operation, so it is giving you the message also. So what to apply, where to apply everything. So left, first you have to apply the text, comma, number of characters you want to get, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. How many characters you want to display, that you have to mention the count. Okay, so I'll choose orders. Okay, I'll choose my, okay, category. Okay, I'll choose my subcategory. Okay, I'll show you the subcategory over here, guys. So where is my subcategory? See, guys, this is my subcategory column over here. So I'm choosing my subcategory text. And from this, I want to display the left side three characters. Three characters. Okay, so I'll put comma and 3 and close the bracket. Close the bracket. Okay, then click on this. See, guys, click on this and check. See, what is my subcategory? What is my subcategory? First 3 letters, left side 3 letters. Left side 3 letters. So like that, it will perform it on all the columns. So storage. What are the first 3? STO. Okay, so see, what is this giving you the STO? See, STO, only 3 letters. Yes, ma'am, I want to increase this to 5. Yes, you can put 5 also there. When you put 5, automatically this column will give you the 5 letters. See, STORA, 5 letters. But ma'am, in art, we don't have 5 letters. No issue, guys. How many? If there is still no matching, it will give you up to that letter only. Okay. Clear? Guys, is this clear? Right. You can try with the right also. So we'll try with the right. The same column. So I'll take the new. Okay, I'll go with the right. Right. So tab. Same, I'll take same subcategory to show you the difference. Okay. I'm taking the subcategory. Comma, I'll take last 2 letters. Okay. Yeah, you can try with any other text columns, guys. Instead of subcategory, you can try with another also. No issue. But text column. We are dealing with only text DAX. Clear? Yes, simply click on this right mark. See, in the storage, what are the last 2 letters, guys? G, G, G. Okay, in the art, RT, RT. So like that, you will get to 2 letters. Okay. We don't use this left and right much, guys. So, but when you have any huge customer names, product names, okay, in such cases, we will go with this. Okay. Huge statements, huge strings. In such cases, we go with the left and right. So usually we don't go with this. Okay. So clear, everybody? Left and right. Okay. Right. So we left with the what we left with. Okay, we'll discuss about the concatenate. Okay. So what is mean by concatenate means if you want to add 2 columns, if you want to combine 2 columns, then we will take the help of this concatenate. Okay. So choose any 2 columns, guys. If you have any first name, last name here, guys. So I don't have any first name, last name. Let me choose the city. How different cities. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. We'll combine. So country is common, guys. We have only one country, United States. What we will do is, guys, it's your choice. You can combine customer name, segment, country, any 2 columns. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm taking country and city. United States, Los Angeles, United States, Los Angeles. So like that, it will create one extra column here after concatenation. Okay, so what is the procedure, guys? Just click on the new column. So click on the new column. Click on the new column. Okay. Then you can put any name over there. Simply I'll take concat. Name you can put anything. Okay, concat. Okay, concat. Then the formula is simply concatenate. See, guys, whenever I type 3 letters, automatically it is giving you the message concat. So press tab. So you have to join. So concatenate, join 2 strings. Strings into 1 text, but you have to apply the text to 1 and text to 2. Okay, so from my orders table, so which one we have discussed? Country, right? So I'll choose the country, comma, from orders table, I'll choose the city and close the bracket. Yes, 2 text, guys. You have to choose 2 text. Okay, so here I have selected the country and city, country and city. So it will create new column in the last. Okay, and this United States and the city name will be appeared. Okay, everybody getting this? Yeah, concatenate is a bit useful, guys. Why? Because when sometimes we will write our first name, last name separately. So if you want to deal with single column, I want entire name in one single column, then we will take the help of concatenate. The concatenate is a bit helpful, guys. Yes, bit helpful. Okay, so just click on this right mark. We'll see how it is concatenate. So I got the column rise. See guys, United States, Los Angeles, United States, Los Angeles. Okay. United States, New York City. So all my everything is concatenated. Getting it? Any doubts in this? Okay, but ma'am, did you notice one thing here, guys? Whenever I do the concatenation, usually, guys, see, did you notice one thing? So usually what happens is whenever we write, if you want to write the names or anything, okay, we will take the first name and last name, right? First name, last name. But here, for the first name, surname, and last name, we will get some delimiters between. You getting my point? So I want to write something like, Sunny. So this is my first name, John. Okay, in between, I have one delimiter. What is that? This is my space. But did you notice one thing, guys? Is I have space here? No, everything is joined, right? United States, Los Angeles. So there is no space between United States and Los Angeles. So you will be in the confusion. So this letter belongs to this or this letter belongs to that. So for that, for the concatenate, we can set the delimiters. Icons, comma, space, hyphen, underscore. So we can put that. Okay, what I'll do is instead of in this column, I'll create one more column for the country and city. I'll show you the difference. Okay, so I'm going to take the new column. Okay, so new column name, I'll take country hyphen city. I'm going to take this. Okay, this column name. But when you want to apply the delimiters, so space is also we have to concatenate. When you want to combine two strings, space is also countable in strings, so that we have to double concatenate the space. Okay, for that, first we have to take the concat. Okay, then I have to concatenate it with space. I'll take one more concatenate inside. Okay, from this first, which I want to take from my orders table, I want to choose country. Choose country, comma, in between which you want to apply hyphen, underscore, comma, colons. So let me choose hyphen in between them. I'm going to choose hyphen in between them. So I'll get United States hyphen, after that, comma. So you have to close this. Close. First inside concatenation is done. This is finished. Then put comma, to which, what is the text to? See guys, your text to is highlighting. You have to apply the text to. So from my orders table, that is my city. And close the bracket. Finished. So double concatenation we have to apply. Oh, I got that. Previously without delimiter, now I have applied my delimiter over here. If you notice, see United States hyphen Los Angeles. So the delimiter I set to is this one. Got my point, guys? What I'm trying to say? Here, guys? Any doubts in this concat? Yes, ma'am, only high underscore. No, you can put the space. You can put at the rate if you want to deal with any other, like, I'll do one thing. I'll put at the rate. Okay, just change it. See, I got at the rate also. So the space, you can mention anything. Clear, guys? So these are some, just try with the trim, guys. If you have any other data sets, okay, try with the trim also. We have many more we will get, but so it's a workshop session, so we can finish very important things here in this, okay. We left with what, guys? The date and time intelligence functions and the measures. Okay, guys, so we'll take that continuation of this DAX. So remaining dates, time intelligence, and measures in the tomorrow session, a bit like around 1/2 an hour. Then we'll move on to the original agenda, like the sharing and publishing. Okay, the Power Query services will move on. Okay, guys. So what we have done in today's session, just quick recap. We started with the maps, field maps, then cards, gauge, slicers, filters, and the dashboard and the interactive dashboards using the slicers and filters. And then after that, we have started with our DAX introduction. So what is the use of DAX, abbreviation of DAX, and the main use of calculated columns with the formulas and the measures, where we can apply these columns operations and the measures operations. And we started with the columns, creating the columns, calculated columns. Especially we started with the text DAX function. So rest of the DAX functions we will finish in the tomorrow session along with the yesterday's agenda. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, please post in your chat box. I'll take that. Okay, so if you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up for today. Okay, guys. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So students, like tomorrow we do an assessment, like from 7 to 8, ma'am will take the class like only for 1 hour, and 8 to 9 you will be having the assessment. Okay, as tomorrow is the last day, as you all know, tomorrow is the last day for this program. So we are conducting an assessment. For 50 marks, it is a MCQ question. Okay, I hope you all understand. So yeah. From 7 to 8 o'clock, ma'am will take a regular class. After 8 o'clock, I mean 8:15. She can take till 8:10. After that, I will share the link on the same. However, I will share the attendance link, right? As usual, the same. I will share the assessment link on the Zoom YouTube. Okay. So from using that link, you have to take an assessment. Okay, yeah. So we are good to go. We will wind up for the day. Thank you all. Thank you for joining. We'll meet again by tomorrow at 7. Good night.